Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your email address on your AliExpress account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in aliexpress.com and press enter. You will now be taken into the official AliExpress website. Now if you haven't logged into your account already, you will see the sign in button at the left side, which you can click on and proceed forward with your credentials. Once you are logged in and taken into the home page, if you wish to change your email address, click on the account icon at the top right corner and then click on Settings. Within the Settings page, underneath Security Information, you will see the Change Email Address button. Go ahead and click on it and you will be asked to verify your identity by entering the verification code that has been sent to your email address. So log into your email and you will find your verification code sent by AliExpress. Just type in this code within the given box and then click on Verify. You will then be asked to enter your preferred new email address. Just type in your desired new email address and click on Continue. You will then be asked to enter the verification code that has been sent to this new email address. So log into the new email address that you entered and you will find a new verification code from AliExpress. Just enter this code once again and click on Verify, and now you will be told that your email address has been changed successfully. You can click on the Continue button and now you will be able to use your new email address along with your original password to log into your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change your email address on your AliExpress account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.